Hey, welcome back to another video of editing basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to create and edit videos in VistaCreate. Creating and editing videos in VistaCreate is a straightforward process, allowing you to produce engaging video content with ease. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and go to VistaCreate website. Make sure that you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, choose a video from the options available or search the video format in the search bar here. VistaCreate offers a range of video templates for different purposes. Browse to the template and select one that fits your project. If you prefer to create a video from scratch, click on Create Blank Video option here. I am going to use the template from VistaCreate. Once you have a template or blank canvas open, you can start customizing your video. You can click on any text here and change its font by this drop-down box. Or you can also change the size by clicking on this plus icon and decrease the size by clicking on this minus. You can also change the color of the text. Click on the text and click on this button. From here, you can choose a variety of different colors. You can use Photos tab here to add images from VistaCreate library, or you can also upload your own images through Uploads tab. Click on Upload Image or Video and select the image from a local device. Simply click on it and it will show in your canvas. You can set your image as a background. Right-click on your image and set it as a background. As you can see here, your image has been set to background. To add video clip in a project, click on Video tab. Here you can access various kinds of stock videos or clips. You can also upload your own video by clicking on Uploads button and do the same process as image. You can also edit the video. Click on this page duration and slide it towards right to increase the video duration, or slide it towards left to decrease it. Here you can click on this play button to see your video overall. Click on Page 1 button and click on Add to add your new video here. You can trim a video by hovering to the last section of the video and dragging it to your liking. Once you are satisfied with the video, click on Export button and click on Download as. Here select the format. MP4 is recommended for videos. Now click on Download button to save a video in your device. You can share your video directly on social media platform through email by using Share icon. By following these steps, you can create and edit engaging video in VistaCreate that effectively communicate your message. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.